Leverage AI to cook for you and not eat on your behalf. Let me explain. As a leader, your AI implementation decisions will shape the future of your company. And the reality is, AI is not here to replace expertise of your team, but to enhance it. The key is knowing where to implement AI for maximum impact. Take sales for an example. Can you spot a sales rep who loves to update CRM manually? The most hated part of any sales job is to update the CRM manually or to prepare reports for management review. That's an area for AI implementation, so that your best sales rep gets 2 to 3x more time doing what they do best, selling, and not to leverage AI to replace your sales rep. That ain't gonna work. Imagine your best sales rep having 3 to 4x more time to just sell. What could that mean to you and your business? The same applies across verticals. Marketing, use AI to analyze trends, not to dictate your strategy or to replace your CMO. Recruiting, use AI to screen profiles and CVs, not to make that final offer or to replace your recruiter. Content creation, leverage AI to research on behalf of your content writer and not to write on their behalf or to replace your content writer. Legal, leverage AI to review contracts, not to argue cases or replace your lawyer. Healthcare, use AI to assist in diagnostics, not to treat patients or replace doctors. Leadership, use AI to gather insights, but not to make decisions on your behalf or to replace you. History has shown us those who resist technology get left behind and those who adapt thrive. But it's also very important to implement technology where it matters the most and not to have a misconception or a misunderstanding of technology. AI will not replace your team, but it will help the best of your team members do even better. AI will not replace your business, but your competitors that knows how to leverage AI will. And please understand this. AI implementation is not about replacing your people. It's about maximizing the efficiency across your people, processes, and technology. So what's your AI vision? To let AI cook for you or to let it eat on your behalf? Let me know in the comments. Hey, this is Arun Pillai, founder and CEO of SaaStory.ai. We help SaaS businesses with AI implementation and AI model training. Check us out at SaaStory.ai.